Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to do XOR division. We'll start by understanding its core purpose, which is primarily in digital communication and data storage for error detection. This method is a specialized form of binary division, crucial for generating checksums like those found in cyclic redundancy checks, or CRC. It operates on binary data, treating sequences of bits as polynomials, and uses the exclusive or operation instead of standard subtraction. Let's dive in. Before we tackle XOR division, let's quickly review the XOR operation itself. It's a fundamental building block here. Remember, XOR yields a 1 if the two input bits are different, and a 0 if they are the same. So, 0 XOR 0 gives 0, and 1 XOR 1 also gives 0. Conversely, 0 XOR 1 results in 1, and 1 XOR 0 also results in 1. This simple rule is applied bit by bit throughout the division process. Now, let's walk through the steps of performing XOR division. First, you align the divisor with the leftmost bits of your dividend. Then, you perform a bitwise XOR operation on those aligned bits. If the result of this XOR has a leading 0, you simply shift your divisor one position to the right. If the result has a leading 1, you write down a 1 in your quotient and use that result for the next step. You continue this process, bit by bit, until the entire dividend has been processed, leaving you with a remainder. The crucial outcome of XOR division is the remainder, often referred to as a checksum. This checksum is typically appended to a block of data before it's transmitted or stored. When the data is received, the same XOR division is performed. If the newly calculated remainder matches the original checksum, it indicates that the data likely arrived without errors. This powerful technique, particularly in cyclic redundancy checks, helps ensure the integrity of digital information across various systems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.